let's do some more SQL. Customers without orders. This question appeared in the interviews of Apple and Amazon. In this question, they're asking, find the customers who have never made an order. Output the first name of the customer. So in this question, we have two tables here, customers and orders. Okay. And they're asking for customers who have never purchased or never made an order. Okay. So sounds like a simple case of left join. Why is that? Because when you have two tables here, we have a customers table and you have orders table. What essentially the question means is that there is no customer entry in the orders table, and those are the customers they are looking for. Okay, because customer table can have a lot of customers, right? But that doesn't necessarily mean that the orders table will also have the same amount of customers ordering. So there's a bit of a gap there, right? There might be, let's say, 100 customers in the customers table, and out of those 100 customers, only, let's say, 70 customers made a purchase, and that got stored in the orders table. But what about 30 customers? Those are the 30 customers they're asking for here in this question. That was just an example, but hopefully you get the idea. Okay, so in the left join, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to have, on the left side, I will have my customers table. On the right side, I will have my orders table. Okay, so when you have the customers table on the left, that will give you all the customers that exist in the customers table, and that will also give you the customers that do actually exist in the orders table, right? But there will be some customers on the left side that does not exist in the orders table, and we will extract them. Okay, so long story short, I'll be using left join here, and I'll show you again what I mean by all this stuff that I was talking about. So let's begin. So let's do the first thing first. Let's explore this data set here. Select star from customers, and this is the data set we have. We have ID, first name, last name, city, address, phone number, all these things. Okay, let's look at the orders table real quick. And here I have the ID, the customer ID. This is the foreign key that's attaching the orders table to the customers table. Okay, so be mindful of that. We'll be using this for our join. Order date, order details, or order cost. Okay, so let's begin. So the first thing first, let's bring in all the customers. Okay, and I'm going to give it as alias as C, and let's, as I mentioned, I'll be doing a left join on orders table as O. Okay, left join orders table, and on will come here. On, as you remember, customers table has an ID column. Okay, on c.id equals orders table has customer ID column name. So this will give us the match. Okay, this will be the join condition, and let's see what we get. So let's do, in the question they're asking, output the first name of the customer. So the customer table has this first name here. Okay, so c dot first name, and you know what, I also want to see the corresponding customer ID. Okay, so let's do customer ID from the orders table, and let's run this. Okay, so I have this here, the first name Farida with the customer ID 3. That means this exists in the orders table because this is coming from the orders table here, this column here, and this column is coming from the customers table, right? So this is kind of like a nice filtration you can do, and you can see what's going on here. Jill is again in the orders table. That's why we have an ID here called 7. And if we scroll down here, and there you see some customers that do not have a customer ID in the orders table. That means these customers did not order anything. They did not make any purchase. And in this question, that's what they're asking for, because they're asking for customers who have never made an order. This means Frank, Lily, Mona, Emma, and all these people never made an order. That's why they do not have a corresponding customer ID here. So I just wanted to show you, that's why I added this extra column here, so we can do some eyeballing, we can do some analysis by visually looking at the data set here. Okay, so now I know that this is the one they're asking for. Then I can add a condition here, okay, where O dot customer ID is null. That means give me all those people where they do not have a customer ID. Okay, so this should give us an answer. So we have all these people here, and let's see if that's the right answer. And that is the right answer. So I use a simple approach of using a left join. Left join on the left side of this join was the customers table. As you can see, on the right side I had the orders table. So the customers table gave me all the customers, including the ones that did make a purchase, and it also gave me the people that did not make a purchase, and I filtered those out using this condition here. When the customer ID does not exist in the orders table, those are the people they're asking for in this question. And that's it.